All right, we're working with a flower pot today, but it's not going to be a flower pot when we're done with it. Come on in and sit with me. I am Vicky from the Purple Penguin Craft Room. We're going to be making a candy dish, but it's going to be a carrot candy dish. If you see where I'm going with this, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think. And go ahead and give me a like, follow, and all the things. So let's get started with painting our carrot. So we're going to start with orange. This is called pumpkin orange. It's kind of ironic we're doing pumpkin orange on a carrot. Since I am keeping this a carrot, we definitely could have kept it the terracotta color if we wanted to. I kind of don't want to keep the terracotta color, so we are painting it orange. Okay, after we're done painting our carrot with the light color, it looks good. Now we're going to do a darker color to kind of show the rings of a carrot. I kind of like that. I just got this top notch. It's just a dark orange. It's burnt orange. You can't get this anymore. This was at Joann Fabrics, unfortunately. But basically, we're just going to take just darker, so just kind of any kind of orange kind of color. We're just all right. I want my carrot to be on a wood base. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing this for myself. So I've got this wood round disc. I believe it was from, I don't know, somewhere. But we're going to go ahead and just give it that stained look with the Waverly Antique Wax. Just take a baby wipe. I dip it in, rub it on and rub it off. After we got that stained, now we're just going to take our Gorilla Glue. This is that gel Gorilla Glue. Okay, now let's let this set up and dry and do all the things all by itself. Let's go ahead. I have some, this is soft felt, and it's classic. It's a 9x12, just green felt. Gonna go ahead, decide how long do do you want your carrot top to come up. I think I want mine to come up probably around here. And then we're going to just take this and cut it. I like to fold mine over. Just make sure I'm cutting like a straight-ish line. Now we're just going to take the end that we cut and we're just going to do little slits right down to about there. It's about half an inch down. And we're just going to keep going. Okay, so I've cut all of this and I went about 5 inches in. So we're going to leave it at that. If you want to go more, you can definitely go more. But we're going to leave it, I'm going to leave it at 5 inches on mine. Just going to cut that off. So it's, you know, roughly about half of the sheet. Okay. And so we are then going to just start right here on one side. And we're just going to start to roll it up. Like that. So then you have all of this up here. So we're going to take our carrot top, and this is going to be the tippy top of our carrot. So I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue and bring in our carrot so you can tell this is our carrot top like this. So this is Raffia ribbon, and I'm just gonna make a finger bow. So I'm gonna hold my bow here. How big do I want my bow? Spin it around, around and around. Pinch it off here in the middle. So a finishing touch here. We're going to go around the bottom with some with some Spanish moss. All right, just like that, we got our Spanish moss going around the bottom, and voila! There's candy in our little candy dish. All right, keep on coming back for more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.